I have an Amazon Prime package to open. This one has a tape about Thursday night football. I ordered some seed at some point. This is sulfur crystals. It's supposed to be good for you. And then this is some of the seed that I ordered. So that, for my yard. I like my yard to be cut and stuff, but I like it to be green. So this is clover seed that we're going to put out. And then this is another set of headphones that I wanted to try out. I think it's headphones. Yep, that's what's in this box. And the sulfur crystals are supposed to be good for you. For your health. I don't know how it's going to work, or it's something to try, right? I'll let you know if it works real well. But y'all, subscribe and become a member if y'all like seeing stuff. Bye. This is another Amazon Prime package. Thursday night football. This one actually tore open really easy because it's easier for me to do it one-handed filming with this. This is the brand of probiotics that I use. I used to have terrible pain in my stomach and just didn't completely get rid of it, but it helped more. I didn't feel like I was dying quite the same way. And then we were also sick for a while. I was ordering different things to try. These are called elderberry gummies. I see people online talk about how good elderberry is for your immune system and when they're sick. So I wanted to try some of these, but now I think I'm going to save them for a while because we seem to be relatively well. I don't know. I have to think about this. Anyhow, y'all subscribe and consider becoming a member. Bye.